everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makeup Fun with Olivia. If you are new here, a hearty welcome to you, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's have some fun. Okay, so today we're going to talk about my October Stitch Fix box, which you will see November 1st. Here it is. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is clothes. It's basically clothing. You get your personal stylist. They choose items for you based on a quiz that you fill out when you subscribe. You pay a $20 styling fee, and they send you 4 to 5 items. It could be clothing, it could be accessories, and you get to choose what you want to receive and what you don't want to receive. I have no fashion sense, you guys. I'm a t-shirt. I'm wearing my Hocus Pocus shirt today. I'm a t-shirt and jeans kind of gal, and I need help. I need help because I am short, I am chunky, I am curvy, and when I go clothes shopping, oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how depressed I come out. I'm a plus size, so I come out so depressed because I can't find things that I like. And then when I find them, they don't fit right. They don't look right. And they're not suitable for short, chunky, and curvy gals like me. So Stitch Fix sends me stuff. And I have had such good luck because you get a stylist and you could change that stylist every month. Or you could say, I want the same stylist every month. And so at first, when I first signed up, and I've been on Stitch Fix, I think I want to say like over a year now, I was switching up stylists, but then I found the one and I've kept her ever since. She is amazing. She gets me. She gets stuff that I love. So every month I try to send her a little note, saying I have a barbecue or I have a party or I need stuff for work or whatever the case may be. She's done great. She always gets it right. This past month, I sent her a note saying, you know what? I kind of need sweatpants. I need stuff that I can wear at home. And I also need tops for my YouTube channel. So we'll see what she sends. It might be more work clothes if she couldn't find any sweatpants or stuff for me, any loungewear. I don't know. I don't know what it'll be, but that's the message that I put in this last month. Oh, by the way, if you don't like anything that you receive in your box, then they send you a bag with postage on it that you just throw the clothing in and you send it back and you don't have to pay anything. They do get to keep the styling fee, the $20 styling fee. That has never happened to me yet. And if you like everything, because, maybe you want to keep 2, but send back 3 or whatever the case may be. If you end up liking everything and decide to purchase it, you get 25% off. So that's kind of a little incentive to keep everything, right? Okay, so let's jump in and see what we have. This is what it looks like. Enjoy your fix, then explore your curated shop. Visit Stitch Fix. Okay, so it has a little sticker with a little message. Now, it also comes with this all the time, and I'm not going to look at it too much, but it comes with your items and then with suggestions and ideas of how to wear it. It comes with a letter. Oh, and this also has a little note from your stylist, which I love to read. I really do. She's so friendly. I feel like we're buddies now. And then this is a layout of what you ordered, how much everything costs, how much everything costs together if you get the 25% discount. So we're going to put that to the side. I'm going to put that over here. And we are going to, and then this is the bag that they send you where it has like the pre-postage with, all the addresses in there already. And you just throw stuff in here. If you don't want anything, then, you send it back. I'm going to put the box over here. I'm seeing this lovely mustard color. It looks like a sweater. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, and it feels so soft. Ooh, look at. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I am a big fan of these sweaters that have, I don't know what type of sleeve this is called, but I love them. I think that they look so classy and it's very soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I don't know what it's made out of. I'm over here. Okay, it's made out of 52% viscose, 28% polyester, 20% nylon. And it is by Faith and Zoe. Faith and Zoe. And by the way, some of these brands, you can go directly to their online shop and purchase from them if you like stuff. I've gone onto their websites to see, and they have really cute stuff. I just have never purchased because, you know, I'm already getting plenty of clothes. So anyways, I love this. I love this detail with the buttons here. And for a second, I thought this was going to be slit open, which I wouldn't have liked. Thank God it's not. So I am already knowing that I'm going to love this one. Okay, let's go on to the next item. Oh, this is cute. And this is very slinky, and so I love black. I love black, and I'm ready. I'm wearing black. I love black. I like my brights, but I like black too. And so I like that this is black and white, and this is kind of a nice shape here. I think that looks very pretty. I don't know how it's going to look on me, but and then the fabric feels very slinky and airy, which I really like. And I love that it has sleeves too. I like this sleeve. Yeah, it's a little bit drapey, and I like the feel of this. I don't know if you can see it, but the back is just very simple. It looks a little bit busy, but I'm okay with it because I can wear it with black pants or even white pants. I don't really wear light colored pants because I got a booty on me. And the last thing I want to do is make it stand out with a light colored pant. But yeah, I like that this feels very fresh. We'll see. We'll see how this one looks on me. The next item, and it's a blue. Is it blue? No, it's black. It almost looks like an animal print. I think it is supposed to be an animal print. So it's black with brown, yeah, to make it look kind of like a leopard print. It kind of looked like a deep blue for a second. Let me take a look at the tag to see what color it says. Yeah, it says navy. So it is navy. It's a navy, but it looks kind of black, huh? That's very interesting. But yeah, navy, I love navy and brown combo. And it looks like it has this cute little detail here, but it's not too low because I don't like to be showing stuff. And then the sleeve is not all the way down, and it's wide enough because I have big arms, so I don't like to feel constricted there. So this feels very nice and slinky, and you know, just, yeah, it looks like it's gonna be light because I got my hot flashes. So, okay, the next item. Ooh, it looks like a jacket. Okay. Ooh. I'm ready for winter, you guys. I'm ready. Okay, so what I like about this is that it's heavy, but it's soft. It's like super stretchy too. It's not, it's almost like a jean jacket, but it's stretchy. And I like this look of it. I think it's because I'm an 80s gal, right? Kind of makes me think of Michael Jackson. Remember those days when we used to wear these? OMG. But I think this looks really styling. I like this. I like this a lot. And you can probably bring this down. Ooh, and it has that little detail here. So if you open this, it'll look pretty. I like how it has these details here too, the buttons. It makes it look pretty. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. And they're actually real, yep, they're real pockets. Very, very nice. I like that it kind of feels like it's a little bit tailored too, but not so constricted because I've got, you know, I've got a booty on me. Yeah, I'm loving this. This looks really comfy to wear, but I won't overheat with my hot flashes, but it'll keep me warm. Like when we go to San Francisco, for example, in San Francisco, it's always freezing cold. And you need something on top, but at the same time, if I get a hot flash, I don't want something so heavy that's gonna make me so hot. So I'm loving that. I hope it really looks well on me. And the last item, Ooh, it looks like we have some pants they are leopard print. And I love that they're dark brown with black. Oh, and again, it feels thick enough, because that's the thing. I can't wear anything that's really thin because all my little dimples and my big old booty will like show through, and I don't feel comfortable like that. It's just me, you know? And so this feels thick enough, but not so thick that it's gonna make me hot or uncomfortable. And it also feels stretchy, which I like. I think it has a pocket. That might just be for decor. No, it looks like it really is like a small, oh no, it is for decor. I thought it was. Okay, so this is the back. Now, the bottom looks a little bit slimmed out, which I don't like. I don't like slimmed out bottoms, but it's not tube bottom, like where it just goes in so much that it's like a tube bottom or a tube leg. I don't know what they're called, you guys. I have no fashion sense, I told you, so I don't know what these are called. So this might work. We shall see. I hope it does, because I'm loving the print. I'm loving the color. Yes. All right. So no sweatpants. I'm a little bit bummed that there's no sweatpants or anything like that, but that's okay, because I was kind of thinking of going on Amazon and checking there, and my hubby was like, I was wearing some that are so comfy but so totally torn up, and he's like, just buy some. And I'm like, no, I want to open up my Stitch Fix box first, and then we'll see. So she probably couldn't find any, and that's okay, because she sent some really cute items that I can definitely use for work, and I can use for going out. I can use for my YouTube, you know, just to like film or something. Yeah, I like the variety. I like that they're light. I like that they have a sleeve, and I like that there's a sweater in here, because I do need to build up on my sweaters. I use sweaters a lot, so the sweaters that I had to get rid of them because they were so old. I use them a lot. So, all right. Let's go ahead and try these, shall we? So that's it, you guys. What did you think? I was kind of surprised at how well they fit. I thought a couple of those might not fit me as well as I wanted. Let's take a look at the items again very quickly and look at the prices. So the pants, I love the pants and how comfy they were. They're stretchy. I love the color. I love everything. And it says straight leg. I suppose it is straight leg to me because I have such wide hips. I do feel like it goes in a little bit, but not so bad that I mind it. I actually kind of really like these, and they're super comfy because they're stretchy, and I feel that they look really nice. So that's a thumbs up for me. And these are $88. The next one is the jacket. I really love this jacket. And I guess it is a denim jacket, but it's stretchy and it's soft. It's not like, you know, old school denim. So I really like this. Power Flex, interesting. Power Flex jean, it says. So I guess it's a certain type of material that it's denim, but it's stretchy and it's comfy. It's super comfy, and I love the style too. I love the style a lot. The next one is a square knit. This is one of the ones that I thought, I wasn't sure if it would look well on me. I don't like how a lot of V-necks look on me or any other shape. Sometimes it throws me off and it doesn't look good. And I feel like this one looked pretty decent on me. And you know, the style, the cut, the color, I'm loving everything. I like how fresh it feels. Like if I wear it out, I'll be very fresh. So the price on this one is $54. The next one is the blouse, the navy and brown blouse. I thought this one might make me look like a sack. When I've seen blouses like this, like at Macy's or something, oh, and it's inside out. When I see blouses like this at Macy's, I think they're so pretty, and then I put them on in my size, which is a plus size, and I feel like I look like this big old sack. And I didn't think this made me look like a sack, so I'm really liking this. Can I get it together here? Here we go. I like that this is low cut, but a little bit, like, you know, so it's kind of sexy in that way, but not so low cut that I'm going to feel uncomfortable in it or anything. It was super comfy. And I wore it with the pants, but I wouldn't wear them together. I think it's too much animal print. But yeah, I'm liking this one. This one is $42. And the last one is the dolman. That's what it's called when the sleeves are like that. Dolman sleeve ribbed pullover in mustard. This one is $64. And this one, even though I loved it, I wasn't sure it would look good on me either. And I feel like it did. Like it doesn't go down so long because I am so curvy. Like sometimes sweaters, if they're too long, they like go into my hips and they like look deformed and stuff. And I don't feel like this did. And I love the detail with the buttons, the black buttons. And they have like a design on them too. See that? I like that. Yeah, this is really pretty, and I love the mustard color. I mean, I think the mustard color has been in for a couple of years now, and it doesn't seem like it's going away, and I'm kind of glad for it because I really like this. So the total comes out kind of scary. The total with the regular prices is $346. If you buy all of them, you get 25% off. That means $86 off. So it comes down to $259. And then they subtract your styling fee, because the styling fee that you pay every month also gets applied toward any purchases that you make. So then it comes down to $239. So when I bring it down to $239, it definitely adds up to what I would normally pay at Macy's or, because I'll go to other stores to find good deals and they don't look good on me, or they don't feel good, or they're just, something is wrong with them. And I just get so depressed. So I end up going to Macy's where they have plus sizes. But even at Macy's or at those higher end stores, it's hard to find plus size items that look good, that feel good. The style is something that you like, and the color is something that you like. Yeah, this feels so tailored and customized to what I like, to what I enjoy, to what feels good. So I am very grateful for my Stitch Fix. And I'm willing to pay a little bit more for it. So I'm probably going to keep this whole box at $239 if you divide it into 5 items, including a jacket and a sweater. I think it's worth it. Let me know what you think below. Which one was your favorite? Comment down below. I love hearing back from you. I know a few of you are going to tell me like, Olivia, that is way too much. But I promise in San Francisco, everything is so expensive that this is actually a decent deal. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will talk to you later. Bye.